When oh, when no, quite you can move. What are you going to go to answer? Guys, welcome. Good evening. What's on with TikTok? Is everything? And I'll call Hannah. Why? If you will beat you no one away, I'll beat him in love. On the door, I would you with the same one again. You screw the comment section. Subscribers, I'm welcome. Good evening. Welcome to my live stream. Yeah, this evening is just a chat with my subscribers and old new, you know. So if you're here, you're welcome. Happy to have you here. All my VIPs. Everybody here is a VIP, and if you're just joining me, at least you're welcome, guys. Hello, how are you? Hello, welcome, great people. How are you? Bele, Ego, Unrich. I've been right. I'm sorry if I don't call your name correctly. Stan, hello, how are you? English. I speak English. Welcome to my live stream. And if you are new here, let me know. Poranjit, Raj, Bonshi. How are you? Welcome, guys. Welcome. Let me know where you're watching me from. And if you're new here, please do not forget to subscribe to this channel and do not forget to share this live. All right. I'm here to just chat with you guys and then gist with my subscribers, old or new. Everybody here is a VIP. You're all special. Oh, Orange from Germany. Okay, how is Germany today? Well, how is Germany today? I hope Germany is good. Happy to have you here. And is this your first time on my YouTube channel? On my live stream? You're welcome. And sometimes I do entertain question and answer. And anybody that's familiar with my live stream, I come here sometimes to have a chat with my subscribers, new and old, and all my friends. And I really appreciate you. Um, Raj Boshi, all the way from India. Welcome. Yeah, I do outdoor streaming, but sometimes when you have music playing around, it's a big challenge when you stream outside because um, because of the music violation by YouTube. Thank you so much, Fisher Boy, Fishing Boys. So I sometimes I stream outside, but not regularly because of sometimes you go on the street, they are playing music, and the copyright issue with the YouTube. So because of that, I'm always conscious of streaming live outside. And sometimes it's when I come at home in my office, and sometimes when I'm at home with my family, I stream live, and then just my lifestyle. Basically, that's what I do. And if you're here and this is your first time, you're welcome. I really appreciate you for taking your time to join me on my live streaming. You are special, you are my VIP, and I don't take you for granted. You know, all my subscribers, all my viewers, you are all special. And without you, there will be not this channel, but with you, this channel is growing. And if you are new here, this channel is about lifestyle, travel, and entertainment. So that's what we do here on this channel. So if you're somebody who like this kind of content, it's fine. Okay, the time, Fishing Boys. The time is it is 10, almost to 11, uh, 11 p.m. You know, almost 11 p.m. now. You know, just about 27 minutes to 11 p.m. here in Nigeria, West Africa. So that's the time. That's our time here. So guys, in case you're watching me, let me know where you're watching me from, and I'll say hi to you. And if you're a YouTuber, I will subscribe to your YouTube channel. You know, or it's 5 p.m. or 5 a.m. And which part of the world are you? Fishing Boys. Oh, America. Oh, you're in America. Okay. All right. How is America today? That should be in the morning. Yeah, I guess that should be in the morning. How how are you treating the issue? You were treating the issue of Donald Trump and some other issue with the election. The way it's going, is he going to win the election? Is Donald Trump going to win the election? Let's say compared to what happens to him and all of that. Who are you supporting? Are you supporting Donald, or who are you supporting for the election? Not like who are you supporting? Who are you voting? Who are you voting? Let me know who you are voting. Or if you don't vote, it's fine. You know, anybody who votes in this life is for a better future, and every country deserves the best. So who can move the country forward? Who can give peace, employment, and then security? I think basically these are the things that comprises of good government. So guys, you're welcome, welcome, welcome guys. Welcome, welcome everybody. I greet you specially. I greet you specially. Yeah, if you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to share. When your head's been openly doing this, do we have to do? Today I'm not here with my son because he's sleeping right now, so that's why he's not here with me on this live stream. Normally we're always together and streaming. Sometimes I stream here with my son, and this evening, he's sleeping, so that is why I'm streaming alone, and that is why I'm not shouting. All right. So if you're here, let me know where you're watching me from and how you're doing. I just want to have a chat with you people. And sometimes it makes us happy when we're alive and when we're streaming and you see people coming to your stream and you guys are having a conversation. That is so very important for us, and it makes us to to have our stream active and to talk more. And sometimes when you are talking, it feels as if you are talking alone without anybody around you, so it feels somehow when you are just there, just as if you're talking to yourself. If it's something odd, so if you're here and you know you are here, you're watching me, at least say something in the comment section so we can have a chat. Yeah, it's normal when you stream and people come and people go, some people stay. And Richie, welcome. Hello from Scotland. Hello from Scotland, yeah? That's in the UK. Ah, well, you're welcome. And Janice, right? Am I right? Janice, Richie. How is Scotland today? What is your time? I think your time is the same thing with us, yeah? Should be around the same time, 11 p.m. Sorry, 10 p.m. I think it's going to be the same time with us. All right. Yeah. Okay. It's the same time here. Um, here now is 10:40, so it's almost the same thing. We use the same time, you know. So now, are you a YouTuber? Let me know if you're a YouTuber. I would love to subscribe to your YouTube channel and yeah, and watch your videos and comment. And if you're a YouTuber, let me know, or you're just somebody who love watching videos. Okay, you're not a YouTuber. All right. So, what do you do for a living? What do you do for a living? What brings you on YouTube? What do you come on YouTube to do? Got to watch people like us, yeah. What do you normally come to YouTube to do? Just to do research and then watch videos. Okay, support workers like us, yeah. That's so nice of you coming to support workers like us. So I really appreciate. And if you're new on my channel, you can subscribe, give my video a thumbs up, and press the like button and the love emoji for people to see this live and then come. And sometimes, like I said, I appreciate it when people come and when I talk to them, they answer, because I'm on this side of the camera. I'm not seeing the other side, so I don't know who is behind the camera, who is watching me, whenever you're watching me from. But sometimes when I have you talk, when I have you say something, when I have you talk to me, it makes me feel better, and then it helps me to communicate with you more when we talk. But when I'm here just talking to myself and then nobody's there, the ginger is not always there, you know, that thing that makes you to, talk. And yesterday, when I was live yesterday, and I had somebody from the UK who were talking, and then he asked a lot of questions that we talked about. We had a nice time here on YouTube, and I believe he was happy he came to my live stream, and on this live, everybody is special, and everybody is my VIP, and nobody is neglect on my live stream. I don't neglect people because we are all one. I visited Lagos. Well, when did you visit Lagos? When did you visit Lagos? And then how was your experience in Lagos? The traffic, the rush hour. So what? In 1984. I was not born then, and I was I don't know where I was during that time, because I was not born. And I was born in 1989. So 1980, yeah, it was after, according to what you said, it was after 5 years. Then I was born. So it's been a long time ago you visited Lagos. But all the same, how was the experience? How did you feel? What did you experience? Was it good? Was it bad? How was it? Because coming to Lagos from that time to this time, almost 40 years ago. Your son was born in 1985. Wow. I was born in 1989, November 13th. That was when I was born. And I grew up in the village, and then I came to the city in 2002. Yeah, to stay in the city, like 2002, when I came to the city. And since then, I've been living in the city. But my almost like 10 to 12 years, I spent them in the village. I was a village boy before I came to the city. And I must tell you, village is sweet. Village is very sweet. The life in the village. And I was even telling my subscribers that one day I would take time and then go to a village and then spend 2 days and just document everything that I would do in that village for 2 days. And I will see how the trip would be and how the experience would be, you know, because it's so good. And to go to where you are coming from, where you were born, and where you were raised, you know. So there's no place like home. Sometimes I find sometimes to visit. Best experience, worst experience, learned so much. It's okay. Because when I travel to the village, I'll make sure I'll go to a village where there's no zinc houses and just thatch houses, and yeah, I'll try to make it fun and more adventurous. Yeah, the experience. If there's network, fine. There's no network, still fine. But I will just take time to, you know, move around the village and spend 2 days and see what will come out of it. Because sometimes you have to go back to the roots and then, you know, see where you are coming from and where you have been so far, and just to have the experience, and then you people too, my subscribers, my viewers, my fans will be able to watch the video. And you know, right now I'm still working on some of my videos that I shot, so that is the reason why most of the time I'm always live here to keep my channel running. Instead of just keeping it like that, I always come live here to have a chat with my subscribers so that everybody will know that this channel is still active. And some people feel that, oh, this channel is not active, but it's active. And it's a thing of joy when you have people around the world watching you, you know, talking to you and telling you their experience. Yeah, sometimes people share good experience with me here and we discuss, and then sometimes we come to a conclusion. And what we always do is always encourage everybody to be strong and to be appreciative for what they have. And if you don't appreciate what you have, life will be kind of difficult for you. So, well, I'm a thank you. Have a wonderful night. Time rest. Next time rest. Thank you so much for your time. I really appreciate it. Thank you for coming. Thank you for passing by. Please, if you've not subscribed, please don't forget to subscribe. It's very important. So guys, it's so good, and it's high time when we learn to appreciate ourselves. It makes us feel better, and we become better person. So let us appreciate ourselves for who you are, whatever you are, and then keep on appreciating, and let's see how we make progress in life. Welcome, guys. Welcome. You're all welcome. How you doing today? And let me know where you're watching me from. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Okay, Koyana. Hmm?
Still live. Phone won't crack. Could you mind?
Biscuit kwa kagen yanabe. Milk right. Welcome, guys. Welcome, everybody. Hey, now this Pastor 7. Okay. Pastor. Free content monetization.
Pastor Carlo nigga na nyam and this man. MC Bakara.
See.
I see that today. Engaging on another level.
Oh, wow. Guy, it's very funny, man. Free content monetization. Where? This where? Now.
So that's
Free content monetization class. Host Pastor Jeremiah Omutu. Then speaker Simbakara. All those people are privileged where they just get, we say, yeah. Imagine. So people that want, can they do us? Okay, it's just a class, yeah. I don't know what's it. Medai. No, Medai. No. So be nyana le nyo. That's good. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Let's just tell us where you're watching us from. Me to give me the goddamn one. Let me drink now. I did not too. No, mango man just something that I can hold in my stomach, not like I'm drinking. Welcome, guys. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Let me have a test. Half saga. Okay, no, sorry, half. Half over, sorry. No. Half. What by the end? No, romantic maga. Naga bogba manga ya. Hampa tamaga. Shine bear. Okay, where I get. How can you make a video? How to make money from YouTube for free? Is it possible? You make money from YouTube?
Possible because people they rush those kind of content.
Hey, boy, it's a lie. When you see that it's a lie, they will not watch your content again. So to me, there's no need of creating all those other content, because you cannot create content and what you are telling people is not in that content. It's not reality. I would not even want to come to your channel again because you're lying to me. You're not real. Am I right?
You're right, my love.
I'm doing good there,
You
man.
are always right.
No, I'm not always right, though. It's only God that is always right.
I'm going to go.
Amara brain jota na wow. The brain jota. Guys, join me. This is what I'm taking with milk. Got them all. So you can join me. Hmm? TikTok wafanyasha.
The language you use is not good for another 18. So yeah, the topic that before TikTok will come block accounts here.
Mr. John.
I'm sure you
One guy done. One color. One is very thick. Welcome, guys. Welcome, welcome.
How was your day today?
Yeah, the day was fine.
I don't know who I'm looking at. I want to be ashamed of you.
Habang gulawi mo. Sini mo da yaman ram self. Yanda yaman ram shabe.
I've never heard in TikTok.
TikTok was just here.
Oh my god. Thank you so much, Ajoka. Thank you.
I'm doing it TikTok. Hmm? What do I give Carmen? What do I give Carmen? Hmm? Well, I know the sent to jail. Hmm? I want. Yana yak we know. Even we do YouTube there. Go on part of even now near Kwaya. I use the other one for transport. No, Toma. Oh, yeah, no. Oh, yeah. So. Sounds the boy is sleeping. That's